Hello there, friends. Oh, I hope you're not too cold. Come on in, quick, quick, quick. It's much warmer here in my den. Oh, I love the winter. It's when you can wear lots of jumpers, play in the snow, and when some people celebrate Christmas. Did you know Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December every year? That's when Santa can visit and leave you presents if you've been good. That reminds me, I've not written my letter to Santa yet. He won't know what presents I'd like if I don't write him a letter. How can I let him know that I really love Christmas? I've got it. I'll make Santa a Christmas card. Did you know that the first Christmas card was sent all the way back in 1843 by a chap called Henry Cole? How cool is that? Now, I know I'm going to send Santa a Christmas card. I just need to decide what to put on it. I know. I draw a snowman. Yeah, I bet Santa loves snowmen. If only I knew how to draw one. I bet my friend will be able to teach me. Come on, let's go.
Did Chester say it's Christmas soon? What if I don't get any presents? What if everyone forgets about me?
Did somebody say something? Must have been my imagination. Never mind, let's go. Hello everybody, should we make some Christmas cards? Yeah. You're going to need a piece of paper, any kind will do, a pen or a pencil, any colour you like, and your imagination, yeah? Also, some indoor snow. Wait, there's no such thing as indoor snow, is there? No. Sorry. Oh well, we'll just have to pretend it's snowing all around us. Because I'll be drawing my own card, I've asked my friend Basil to come and help. Hey guys, Merry Christmas! I'll see you guys.
Merry Christmas!
Hi Chester, do you guys want to draw some Christmas cards?
Yeah!
I think we should do that. I think we should draw some Christmas cards. And remember, if you're watching at home, we can pause if it's going too fast. Maybe just stick to pausing the video. Cool, okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do, you've all got your paper, yeah? Amazing, right, first thing you're going to do is fold it in half. Doesn't have to be very neat, but you're going to fold it right down the middle. So you end up with almost like a book. Going down the middle like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. Nice and half like that, so you got like a little book.
How did you do a perfect one? Do it. It's good at drawing. No, I don't know.
Right, once you got that, we're going to fold it back out. And we're going to draw our picture on this side so that when we've drawn it, it folds the right way. So we'll be drawing it on this side here. Cool. So now I'm going to go up on this side. Can everyone see this bit of paper?
Yeah.
Perfect, we're going to draw a snowman.
Ooh.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his head, which is going to be a nice big circle, sort of in the middle of your paper, because you want to leave space for his body and for his hat. Good hat is very important. So first thing we're going to draw is a nice big circle like this. Doesn't have to be neat and tidy, just a big circle like that. Awesome. Good? Perfect. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do some eyes, which are going to be made of coal in this case. So we're just going to do like a nice wobbly circle shape, and then another nice wobbly circle shape. Now this one doesn't have to be perfect. And you can shade that in too if you like. Just like that. Awesome. Perfect. Now, I'm guessing you guys know what snowmen use for noses, right?
Carrots.
Carrots, absolutely. So we're going to draw a massive carrot. So this is like a triangle, so we're going to do a line just along like that. Nice long line. Just like that. Got it? We're going to do another line underneath like that. So we've got like a spiky triangle shape. And then we're going to fold that in like that with just a little curve like that. Makes a nice carrot shape. And if you guys want to, we can add in some little curved lines too. Make it look a little bit more like a carrot. Just like that. And now obviously they've got to be a smiley, happy snowman because it's Christmas and snowmen love Christmas. So we're going to draw a smiley face and we're going to do just a little circle like that there. Just below the carrot like that. And we're going to draw a nice smiley face made out of coal too. And this is just made of little circles. So you can do as many or as few as you like. Like that, so end up with like a really nice little happy smiley snowman. I've done 5, but you can do as many as you want. You all good? Our snowmen all smiling?
Yes.
Perfect, okay. Now we're going to draw a line. A nice curvy line underneath his head and a nice curvy line underneath his head like that. So we're going to do his scarf next because he's got to stay warm. So 2 curvy lines just coming out the bottom of his head. All good? And now we're going to draw a nice big curvy line that's going to go about halfway. Just like that. The bottom of his scarf. Okay, now we're going to do a nice straight line all the way down like that. It's going to be the bottom of the scarf. And once you've done that, do exactly the same on the other side like that. You can see where the scarf is starting to come together. Now we're going to draw in those 2 lines up like that. Just one straight line. And we're going to draw in this line up too. Just like that. You can see it's starting to look like a scarf now. Now we're going to draw some very thin triangle shapes like that. Just coming out the bottom, and that's going to be the nice fluffy tassels that you have on the bottom of your scarf. So you've got some little triangle rectangle shapes coming out the bottom like that. It's your snowman all got scarves. Yeah? Perfect. Now we're going to do another long line just behind it like that. For the second part. And we're going to draw in that line up too. So we've got one long line and one little thin line like that. And some more of the little long rectangle shapes. And there we go, we've got a nice warm scarf. Keep them all toasty at winter. And then if you want to, you can draw some stripes on. If it's got a nice stripy scarf, it's up to you. Maybe it's got a spotty scarf. Whatever pattern you think would suit. Okay. So now, we're going to draw the body and the bottom half, whether you guys are ready. There's no rush. Which is just another big circle shape. Like that, for the body. Big circle like that. Now for the next one, it's a little bit different. So we're going to draw a big curved shape like that. Just the side here. We're going to draw another big curved shape here, but we're not going to join them up just yet. Just 2 curves like that. And the reason we haven't drawn them up is because we're going to draw the snow on the floor where the snowman is standing. So we're going to do a nice wobbly line all the way across. So it looks like he's standing on the snow. And if you guys want to, while you're waiting, you can add on some more coal just at the bottom for some nice buttons. Just like that. And it's starting to look like a snowman. Right? Looks like a snowman? Kind of missing some arms though, so we're going to do some arms next. Should we give him some arms? Let's give him some arms. So we're going to do a long line and a long line coming out of his body like that. And then it's exactly the same on the other side. Nice and long line, nice and long line. Like that. And you can make him as thick or as thin as you like. It's going to be his twig arms. So you can wave at people and say, hello, I'm a snowman. So now we're going to draw his hands. We're going to draw from where the 2 lines are, we're going to draw a nice little thin rectangle like that, and that's going to be one of his fingers. And we're going to bring that as a nice like curved shape like that. I'm going to draw another rectangle shape like that. Second finger. So we've got two pointy rectangle fingers like that. Once we've done that, just do two exactly the same, nice long rectangle. And the last one is a little bit smaller. So we've got some nice thin rectangle fingers. Just like that. And once he's got one hand, he kind of needs another hand, so we're going to give him some more. So we're going to do a nice long, thin rectangle coming out of that one, too. And then some more long, thin, pointy rectangle shapes like that. Cool. Have you guys all given him hands now, yeah? Cool. Amazing. And now we're going to obviously give him a fancy hat, because he needs a fancy hat because he's a very fancy snowman. So, a little bit complicated this one, so I'm going to go a little bit slower. I'm going to do a curved line up from the head like that. Sticking out like this. And then a smaller one on the other side like that. So you've got two lines poking out of his head like he's got a little antenna. Now we're going to join these up with a nice curved line like this. So a big curve, we're drawing up the two shapes. And if you want, you can shade that in. You can make it whatever colour you want. It's your snowman. Perfect. And now we're going to draw a line, long line coming up here, and another long line on the other side. So now it's got another two antennas sticking up. Just like that. And then the finishing touch, we're going to just join those together again with a nice curvy line like that. So you've got top of the hat, exactly. And if you want, you can draw another curvy line for the hat band. If you shade that top bit in, but not the middle bit, draw a very cool hat. And then for the very, very finishing touch, just to make it look perfect, we're going to do some little circles just coming down for the indoor snow that Jester was talking about earlier. So there we go, we're going to draw some little circles coming down, just to make it look like it's snowing in the background. It's a snowman, not a rabbit. Rabbits don't like drawing. Anyway, we're going to draw some snow. We're going to do some little snow like this. You guys are excited about Christmas. Okay, so this is it. We've drawn a snowman. Anyway, cool. So, have you guys are drawing a snowman now, yeah?
Yeah.
Brilliant. So what we have to do now is, I'm going to take my picture down for a second. Is you can and fold it in half. You've got a perfect Christmas card. You can write inside whatever it is you want to write inside to whoever you want to write it to, and you can of course colour it in. So we'll colour it in together, yeah? Awesome. Wow, I like your snowman.
Thank you.
What made you choose the colour blue?
It's one of my favourite colours.
Oh wow. You don't like the colour purple?
But I like the colour purple.
Good. Make your next snowman green and purple.
Okay.
Thank you. But I do like him.
Thank you.
Wow. What is it? Wow, what's on the scarf?
On the scarf I've done some dots and some stripes.
I like it, I like it. Are there snowflakes on his hat too?
Yeah.
Wow. Going with the whole theme, I like that. That's great. Merry Christmas, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Merry
Bye.
Christmas. Goodbye.
What have you been drawing?
A snowman.
I love that. That's what's your snowman called?
Jerry.
Hello, Jerry the Snowman. Very nice to meet you indeed. Did you have fun today?
Yes.
Oh, I like it a lot. It looks great. Are you an artist?
No.
Oh, you definitely are. That's amazing. Well, it's very nice to meet you. Have a good Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you very much. Hi guys, what have you been drawing?
Snowman.
Amazing. And who's your Christmas card for?
My mum.
Your mum. Who are you going to send yours to? Send it to me. Send it to me. Wow, those are amazing. Oh, I love that. Oh, that hat's incredible. I love that hat. And you're beautiful. You guys are amazing artists.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love it. Wow. No, I love the colours you're using. That's amazing. Have you ever built a snowman?
No.
You should this year. If we get snow, build a snowman and call it Chester. Yes. I love that.
Little bunny.
No. Wow! All these Christmas cards look amazing. Everyone's snowman is so unique. Wow! Could that be him? I don't want to miss him. No, I've got to get back to my den. I'm back, and there's no sign of Santa, so that means I've not missed him. I'll just leave my Christmas card for him here so he doesn't miss it. Oh, whoa! What's that? Card for me? Let me read it. To Chester, Merry Christmas. That's strange. Doesn't say who it's from. If it's from you, I hope you have a Merry Christmas. That reminds me, if you've drawn your own Christmas card or any other picture, I'd love to see it. Just get a grown-up to send a photo of it to @ChesterDraws channel on Instagram. I might see it in my den. See you soon for more Chester Draws. Wonder what I'll be drawing next. See ya. Well, who are all these people?